Hello, it's Neil from MAXVAC and I'm here at the Trade Decorators exhibition up in Bolton. It's been an absolutely fantastic 2 days and it's been a pleasure to meet and greet so many quality painters and decorators from around the UK.
Hi, I'm Paula McIntosh and I'm the owner of Trade Decorator and the Trade Decorator Live Show. This event is all about bringing our online community into a live environment. It's about connecting the industry. So we've got manufacturers of all different product ranges from across the decorating industry here today demonstrating their products. We've got some amazing demonstrations, we've got live training sessions, seminars for decorators, and it's been amazing. We've seen hundreds of decorators through the door. Well, decorators should be coming here to learn all about new products and new technology coming into the marketplace. I mean, MAXVAC have got such a fantastic range of products and they're little known in the decorating sector, and there's just been so much interest in the products. It's been amazing.
We have live demonstrations here with the Dust Blocker 650 in use about decorating, and then also in the main training zone we have some fantastic demos going on with Nick.
So my name's Nick Sammett from Rushmore Painting and Decorating. I'm a painter and decorator based in Surrey. Today we are at Trade Decorator Live, which is a relatively new painting and decorating show in Bolton. It's only the second year we've done it, and it's just a 2-day show for painters and decorators, DIYers, tradespeople in general to come and see stands from multiple manufacturers, see other decorators, other tradespeople, and just have a good time and a good laugh, really.
We've had some amazing responses from our Dust Blocker range, the Dust Blocker 650 in particular.
Yeah, so I use the DB650 virtually every day, from like manual prep to machine prep to spraying, all of those sort of tasks. It's always on there, just collecting any fine airborne particles, just to make sure my work environment and the customer's living environment is as clean as possible, because I work in domestic, so there's people living in the house I'm working in 99% of the time, so having something like that in the background to capture that harmful dust is really important.
It's been great to see you all, and I'm very, very glad that we can be here, and we look forward to coming back and seeing you again. And don't forget, reach out to us. If you weren't able to get here, please just reach out. We'll be glad to help you and work with you to support you.